Is it time to buy or sell Meta stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Meta. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 1st of May, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 1st of May, 2025, our system has ranked Meta as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 3.37. Let's take a moment to examine the stock's performance during this time. We will continue to monitor this assessment to see how it develops in the coming days. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of negative 28.22% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 42.9% to negative 28.22%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 26.04%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from 7.88% to 69.58% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $617.28 and $970.33. Our latest daily update for Meta includes the headline, Meta stock upgraded from sell candidate to buy candidate after Thursday trading session. The Meta stock price gained 4.23% on the last trading day, Thursday, the 1st of May, 2025, rising from $549 to $572.21. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated 3.94%, with a day low at $570.50 and a day high of $592.95. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 13.92% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign. In total, 4 million more shares were traded than the day before, with 31 million shares bought and sold for approximately $17.74 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $740.89, while the lowest price was $432.28. Currently, the price is 22.77%, or $168.68. below the 52-week high of $740.89, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Meta Platforms has experienced a notable surge in its stock price following strong quarterly earnings results for the first quarter of 2025, reporting sales of $42.310 billion, a 16% year-over-year increase, and a net income of $16.640 billion. Meta has showcased its robust financial health and effective strategies in artificial intelligence. The successful launch of the Llama API and a standalone Llama app aim to enhance consumer engagement and position Meta competitively in the evolving landscape of artificial intelligence. Positive market sentiment around Meta is evident, as its stock performance, alongside Microsoft, contributed to broader market gains. This rebound has also rekindled optimism for the artificial intelligence sector, easing recession fears amid persistent economic uncertainties. Analysts have noted that Meta's significant capital expenditure, projected at $64 to $72 billion, underscores its commitment to artificial intelligence and indicates a strong growth trajectory. In the short term, these developments not only enhance investor confidence, but also may attract more institutional investments, driving the stock higher. Long-term prospects appear equally promising, with Meta establishing itself as a leader in innovation within artificial intelligence, potentially yielding substantial returns on its investments. Overall, Meta's robust performance and strategic focus on artificial intelligence could solidify its market position and positively influence its stock price moving forward. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, it was reported that Roth Capital assigned Meta a buy rating paired with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 11th of February, 2025, it was reported that Tigris Financial granted Meta a strong buy rating along with a hold action. On Thursday, the 30th of January, 2025, it was reported that Scotiabank rated Meta as sector perform with a hold action. On Thursday, the 30th of January, 2025, it was reported that BMO Capital assigned Meta a market perform rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 30th of January, 2025, it was reported that Cowen and Company gave Meta a buy rating together with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Meta stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts award the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Meta. The chart presents mostly positive signals today. The Meta stock displays buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a favorable outlook. However, there is a general sell signal stemming from the relationship between these two averages, as the long-term average remains above the short-term average. In the event of downward corrections, there will be support from the lines at $546.58 and $558.29. Should the stock break below either of these levels, sell signals would be triggered. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 21st of April, 2025, and the stock has since increased by 18.06%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is identified. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. The volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a positive technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 9 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 18 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 44 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 28 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 27 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Meta. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $531.62 and $516.25. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, Meta finds support just below today's level at $531.62. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $516.25 and $504.73. This stock experiences average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved $22.45 between high and low, or 3.94%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 3.14%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Meta, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 30th of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $5.49. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Meta. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Meta is at $585.77. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Meta encounters its first support level at $531.62. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Meta from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 28th of April, 2025, Olivan Javier conducted an insider sale of 608 shares of Class A common stock. On the 15th of April, 2025, Powell Dina H. conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares. On the 22nd of April, 2025, Newstead Jennifer conducted an insider sale of 921 shares of Class A common stock. On the 21st of April, 2025, Olivan Javier conducted an insider sale of 406 shares of Class A common stock. On the 22nd of April, 2025, Olivan Javier conducted another insider sale of 202 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that insider power is positive, with a ratio of 16.799. In total, insiders purchased 202,871 shares and sold 147,545 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $550.24, reflecting a decrease of 3.84%. This stock experiences moderate daily fluctuations, which indicates a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal originating from a pivot bottom identified 8 days ago. Is Meta stock a good buy? Several short-term signals are positive. Despite the stock currently being in a declining trend, we conclude that the present level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for the stock to perform well in the short term. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a sell to a buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 2nd of May, we expect Meta to open higher by $6.34, starting at $578.55. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By using the information provided, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.